Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love, and happy Couponing Tuesday at Walgreens. Woo! There are so many great deals going on. I'm going to be using this Spend 35 Get Back $10 in Walgreens Cash Booster, which is super amazing. We have deals on laundry care, personal care items, and a lot of amazing goodies. Super excited about that. If you guys are new to this channel, take a second and hit that red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you part of this couponing community and this channel. And for all the returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back and tuning into my videos and all the love and support that you guys give me. So also, I'm going to be leaving the printable breakdown for you guys in the description box down below, so you can just print it out and take it with you for an easy couponing trip. Now, let's head into the store and grab these amazing deals. Let's go. So our very first deal is on the Head & Shoulders shampoos. This week, these are on promotion for $6, and when you buy two, you'll get back a $4 register reward. So you could definitely go ahead and pick the ones that you like. I'm going to go ahead and pick up two of these for a total of $12. We have this $3 off a two digital coupon. You would pay just $9 at the register, but you'll get back that $4 register reward, making your final cost just two for $5 or $2.50 each. And yes, you could definitely use some Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. So our next deal is on the Pantene shampoos and conditioners. This week they're priced at $5, and when you buy three, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. So you could definitely pick and choose the ones that you guys like for this promotion. So for three of these products, it's a total of $15. You're going to go ahead and use this $5 off a three digital coupon. You would pay just $10 at the register. You're going to get back that $5 register reward, making your final cost just $5 for all of these three products, or just $1.67 each. And definitely, you guys can use some Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay as well. So our next deal is on the Crest and Oral-B products. They're priced from $3 to $4. They're on promotion this week. When you buy four, you'll get back a $6 extra buck. So we're going to go ahead and pick up these toothbrushes. These are priced at $3 if I can get these out. So a total for all these toothbrushes, it's $12. You're going to use this $6 off of four digital coupon. You would pay just $6 at the register, but you'll get back a $6 register reward, making your final cost completely free for these products. You could definitely use some Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. Another option is on the Crest toothpaste. These are also priced at $3, but they don't have any more in stock. Next deal is on the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. This week they're on promotion for $4.50, and when you buy two, you'll get back a $3 register reward. So you can go ahead and pick up two of these for a total of $9. We have this $5 off a two digital coupon. You would pay $4 at the register, but get back that $3 register reward, making your final cost just $1 for both. You could definitely use some Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. The Colgate Optic White mouthwash is also included, and they're priced at $4.50, but they currently do not have them in stock, but that's definitely another great option. Next deal is on the Dawn dish soap. These are priced at $1.24. You're going to go ahead and pick up two for $2.48. You're going to get back a $1 register reward, making your final cost for two products just $1.48. Next deal is on the Gain Squeeze. This week they're priced at $1.99, and when you buy two, you'll get back a $1 register reward. So you're going to go ahead and pick up two for $3.98. You're going to use this 50-cent digital coupon. You would pay just $3.48 at the register, but you'll get back a $1 register reward, making your final cost just $1.24 each. You could definitely use some register rewards or Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Next deal is on laundry care. They're priced at $5.49, and when you buy four, you'll get back a $5 register reward. So you're going to pick up one of these Downies. You're also going to go ahead and pick up one of these Gain Flings. They're also part of the promotion. You're also going to go ahead and pick up a Tide Pods. They're also priced at $5.49. And you're also going to go ahead and pick up one of these Tide Liquids. They're also priced at $5.49. For all of these laundry care products, this is a total of $21.96. We have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid, a $1 digital coupon for the Downy, a $1.50 for the Tide Pods, and a $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain Flings. That's going to take off $5.50. You would pay at the register just $16.46, but you'll get back that $5 register reward, making your final cost just $11.46 for all 4 products, or $2.87 each. Another great deal is on the Betty Crocker products. This week they're on promotion 2 for $3. So you can go ahead and pick up 2 of these for a total of $3. Then you're going to go ahead and submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $1 cash back. That's going to make your final cost just $1 each. Next deal is on the Hershey's Chocolate Kisses. This week they're priced at $3, so you can go ahead and pick up 2 for $6. We have this $1 off of 2 store coupon, and we also have this $2 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay just $3 at the register for both packs, and yes, you could use some Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. If you guys need any trash bags this week they're priced at $1.99, so definitely pick some up if you guys need them. I know it's not the best deal because we got them better before. The Walgreens bath tissue is also priced at $1.99, so this is a great little item if you guys definitely need it for your household and over the weekend. Another product that's priced at $1.99 are the freezer bags and sandwich bags as well. So if you guys definitely need them for, this holiday weekend, definitely pick some up. And I know it's not the best deal, but hey, it's Thanksgiving weekend, so definitely pick them up if you guys need them. So guys, these are all the items that I went ahead and I picked up today. So this is a total of $47.95 worth in products. I did everything in just one single transaction today. So let's talk final cash cost. All right, so let me show you guys the receipt. As you can see, I picked up the Tide, the Downy, the Tide Pods, the Gain Flings. Everything was priced at $5.49. I picked up the nice freezer bags, guys, because I needed it. I have no freezer bags in the house, and I definitely need it for this weekend because I went grocery shopping. So I also picked up the Head & Shoulders. There were $12. And the Oral-B toothbrushes, there were $12 as well. So like I mentioned, everything was $47.95 worth. I rolled in some register rewards that I had for my previous transaction. I had a 4, a 3, and a 3. And I had the $6 digital coupon for the Oral-B, the $3 digital coupon for the Head & Shoulders, a $1.50 digital coupon for the laundry product, then another $1.50 digital, and the $1 digital coupon for the Downy. Okay, so since my total was at $47.95, I was working with the spend $35, get $10 in Walgreens cash booster. But since I was over the $35 mark, I was safe enough to use $10 in Walgreens cash. That made my final cash cost just $14.94 for this transaction. So let's talk about what I got back. I got back a $5 register reward for the laundry products. I got back a $6 register reward for the Oral-B. I also got back a $4 register reward for the Head & Shoulders. And I also got one of these bad boys right here. When you spend $25, you'll get back $7 in Walgreens cash. So I got back all of my register rewards, and I was able to roll in some Walgreens cash. So I also want to talk about what is like your final cost after your reward. So I did all the calculation for you guys. So like I mentioned, it was $47.95 in products, $14.50 in manufacturer coupons. So that brings your total down to $33.45. Yes, you can use, like I said, some Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. That's exactly what I did. So I got back, you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash for the spend booster, a $5 register reward for the Tide laundry products, a $6 register reward for the Oral-B, and a $4 register reward for the Head & Shoulders. That's actually $25 back in Walgreens rewards, making your final cost for all of these products right here for just $8.45 for 11 products, or just 77 cents each product, guys, which is absolutely amazing. So definitely a great deal. So yeah, so for my budget for today, I will put down that I spent out of my own pocket $14.94 because I like to calculate my final cash cost. But I know a lot of people like to calculate as well their final cost after the rewards and all that. So let me know in the comments how you guys like to calculate your final cost. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions down below. And let me know what deal was your favorite. My deal actually was everything here. Everything was such a great deal, especially with that spend booster. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next one and have an amazing and blessed night. Bye.